Good day everyone. We are Group 8 and the option that we pick is option A. This is the gathering of two sets of data and the use test of difference appropriately, which is the t-test for two sample means or paired sample means, stating the hypothesis, providing the significance level, tail test, and the conclusion. Also showing off the solution with steps and the data analysis result. To collect data, we ask people between the ages of 17 to 21 years old to fill out the form through Google Forms.
Assume the hours of sleep of a nationalian student. Do boys and girls normally sleeping every day at 0.5 level of significance? This is our data that we conducted on our survey. For us to know what will the conclusion be, we should analyze this.
For the situation, a study was conducted regarding the number of daily sleeping hours, assuming a student's sleep hours. Is boys and girls sleep on an average time every day. Determine the strength of the relationship. State if there is a significant relationship between the two variables at a 0.05 level of significance. Our hypothesis can be a null hypothesis and research or alternative hypothesis. If null hypothesis, there is no significant difference between the boys and girls who average sleep every day, while for research or alternative hypothesis, there is a significant difference between the boys and girls who average sleep every day.
This is a two-tailed test at 0.05 level of significance.
Since our p-value is higher than our level of significance, we should reject the alternative hypothesis and proceed to null hypothesis.
Since the p-value is 0.893592, which is more than the 0.05 level of significance, reject the alternative hypothesis and proceed to conclude the null hypothesis. There is no significant difference between the boys and girls who normally sleep every day is a two-tailed at 0.05 level of significance.
How did you come up with the idea? How did you plan your task? Do you get any help of support other than your group mates?
Our group came up with so many ideas, but we decided to conduct a survey about the number of sleeping hours on different students from high school to college at the age of 17 to 21. We only had a shortened amount of time as we planned this task because we had so much different schoolwork to do as well, and we only had time to talk late at night. However, with the help, cheering, and the giving of courage to each other, plus the quick response of the respondents, we made this Peta possible.
What are the challenges you encountered while doing Peta 3?
When working on a project, there will always be challenges. Our group struggled to complete the task, such as deciding the topic of our survey. At first, we thought that we are still doing a skit, so we started right away and came up with a business story. But suddenly, the reality bites. We realized that we don't need to do it anymore because the Peta 3 will be about gathering data. However, even though we realize it too late, we still make out everything. While conducting the survey, we don't have a hard time looking for our respondents. We completed immediately. Additionally, we face problems when we are doing in Excel. All in all, we succeeded in finishing the Peta 3.